we're going to show you guys is our 9-leg plastic pallet. Just please check the pictures about behind us. And over here, this is our 9-leg plastic pallet, match surface 9-leg plastic pallet. This plastic pallet is the most cost-effective pallet, and also this 9-leg plastic pallet is available used for simple palletizing. Okay, and if you're using the pallets for palletize for simple transport the item from one side to the other side, we will recommend this design for you. And also this 9-leg plastic pallet is the most cost effective. You can see the pictures. Okay, as you can see from this picture, this 9-leg plastic pallet has the 9 hole on the surface, so which means it will be able to nest it with each other. So that's the one of the advantages for this design pallet, because this one can be nested with each other, packed with each other to save the space, and also will save the logistic cost for export and import.
Yeah.
All right.
Also, you can see this picture right here.
Okay, so this is our 9-leg plastic pallet. One of the design for the 9-leg plastic pallet. Just now I mentioned for you guys, this 9-leg plastic pallet is the most cost-effective pallet. If you don't have that much budget, maybe you can choose our 9-leg plastic pallet. Okay, as you can see, the surface has 9 holes on the surface here. Okay, let's keep introduce for you guys. This 9-leg plastic pallet is the most affordable, cost-effective product and lightweight for all of our products. It's a 4-way fork for single. It's a 4-way fork for single side use. Suitable for manual, hydraulic, and vehicle. In the process of loading and transportation of 9-leg products, generally the load is relatively light. For this 9-leg plastic pallet, the size just for the normal size, which is
1200 millimeter and 1000 millimeter, and height is 140 millimeters.
Yes, that's right. The static loading for this 9-leg pallet is 4,000 kilogram. Dynamic loading capacity, which is 1,000 kilogram. Okay. But the other thing for this 9-leg plastic pallet, we have to introduce for you guys. This 9-leg pallet unable to use shape on the racking system. Okay. Yeah. This one is very important for you guys. So this is the behind for this 9-leg plastic pallet you can take. Just now I said to you, this is the forklift they're using for single side use. Okay.
And if you use the pallet, maybe you will know we are not only have the new virgin materials, we also have some recycled materials. So if you don't have too much budget, maybe you can choose. Maybe you want just one-time use transportation your goods. You can choose this type of pallet and use the recycled materials pallet, and the price is the most cost-effective for you. And besides this type, we also have the blow molding 9-leg pallet.